At the heart of Bangladesh's most prestigious university, there stands a pioneer department in the field of business studies that has created generations of leaders, entrepreneurs, and knowledge workers for the business communities and society. The Department of Management, University of Dhaka, is still strongly continuing its journey and printing its mark along the way. The journey began more than a century ago. In the year 1921, the University of Dhaka was established by torching the light of higher education in the British Bangla region. Just a year later, in the 1922-23 session, under the Faculty of Arts, the Department of Commerce came to life. From the very beginning, two subjects led the way. One of them was management, and the degree awarded under the Department of Commerce was Bachelor of Commerce Pass degree, a two-year program that marked the foundation of business education at Dhaka University. In the 1948-49 session, the journey expanded with the Master of Commerce Pass program, also a two-year course. Then in 1953 came the first major shift. The BCom Pass transformed to BCom Honors, ushering in a more specialized and rigorous academic structure. Fast forward to October 1970, higher education of this region witnessed a historic moment when the Department of Commerce upgraded to the Faculty of Commerce. The first dean, Professor Dr. Abdullah Farooq, took charge, leading two key departments, management and accounting. From 1970 to 1976, students pursued a three-year BCom Honors and Master of Commerce in Management program. At that time, final exams of honors were held after completing the whole three-year program. But starting from the 1977-78 session, the same degree structure continued, but with a new six-month semester system, bringing modern academic rhythm to the department. In the 1994-95 session, another transformation began. The Bachelor of Business Administration, 4-year, and Master of Business Administration, 1-year, programs were introduced, aligning the department with majors in three areas of management, among which the department is still continuing with two from the three majors, Human Resource Management or HRM, and Strategic and International Management or SIM. That same year, on July 16, 1995, the Faculty of Commerce changed its name to Faculty of Business Studies, marking a new era for the University of Dhaka in the field of business education. In 2001, the Department of Management changed its name to the Department of Management Studies, which was renamed back to the Department of Management in 2012, a journey engraved in history with golden letters. The Department of Management has been offering a wide range of professional programs in the areas of management, besides its regular BBA and MBA program. They are Executive MBA, EMBA, Master of Professional in Human Resource Management or MPHRM, MPhil, PhD, and Doctor of Business Administration or DBA. Our vision is to stand out as the premier center for management education both in Bangladesh and in the Asian region. Our mission is to provide professional knowledge and skills in management with a view to enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of managerial manpower in business and non-business organizations to face the emerging challenges in the competitive world of the new millennium. We gratefully honor our retired faculty members, the guiding lights whose dedication and wisdom built the foundation of this department. Retired professors of Management Department who also served other departments of the Faculty of Business Studies. With deep respect, we remember the faculty members who are no longer with us. Their contributions continue to inspire generations. Over the years, visionary chairmen have led the department with commitment and foresight, steering it toward academic excellence. Today, our faculty consists of dynamic educators and researchers devoted to nurturing knowledge and leadership among students. Behind every success story are the hard-working staff members who ensure the department runs smoothly every single day. Short message from Chairman. Short message from MPHRM Program Coordinator. Short message from Executive MBA Coordinator. To foster strong linkage, the department has signed multiple memorandums of understanding with reputed institutions and organizations like Dhaka Chamber of Commerce and Industries, DCCI, Institute of Chartered Secretaries of Bangladesh, ICSB, BPO Software Bangladesh, Epilion Group and Management FBS Club Limited. From classroom learning to hands-on projects and events, the department encourages holistic development through diverse academic and beyond the classroom activities. Clubs like Dhaka University Management Club, Management Debating Forum, Listening Hive, Career Placement Center CPC and Management FBS Club Limited bring together creativity, leadership and innovation, empowering students to grow beyond the classroom. Beyond academics, students shine on the field, in football, cricket, basketball and more, embodying teamwork, passion and spirit. From festive celebrations to vibrant performances, cultural events showcase the creativity, unity, and spirit of the students. From its modest beginning in 1922 to its remarkable growth over the decades, the Department of Management continues to nurture leaders, thinkers, and change makers, carrying forward a legacy of academic excellence, research, and innovation in the business education of our beloved Bangladesh.